Hey, what's up guys, Sticky here, back in with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing AirTag and telling you guys what I think about it. So let's get started with the video. Now you just have to pull a tab to open the box, which I really like for something which is under $50. I bought this AirTag for $45 in Australia, but you can get the 4-pack one, which is for $149, which is of course a better deal. And then as soon as you open the box, there's some paperwork, and then there's the actual thing which you open. It says the instructions, and then in the middle there's the AirTag. And then when you take the AirTag out, it's wrapped in some kind of paper, and it actually looks really nice, and it's almost size of a coin, which I really do like. And then when you take off all of the paper, the AirTag makes a sound, which means the battery has been activated. And this battery can last around a year. And then there's the actual AirTag. Now, of course, it's really premium feeling, and it's very clean looking. So all you're basically gonna do to just set this AirTag up is put it next to your iPhone, near the power button, I'd say, or just somewhere around here. And if it doesn't want to work, you go inside to Find My Network, go in here, add item, and then you can go to add AirTag and start searching. And here you can see it came up. You just click on connect, and then you choose what this AirTag is gonna be for. For me, I'm gonna probably use it for my keys, so you just do whatever you want to use it for. Continue, and then you add it, and it'll just set up, and it's setting up, as you can see, and it makes a noise, and you're done. And now in the Find My, it will show you every time you open, it will show you where your product is if you go in devices. So on the AirTag, it says assembled in China in California. It says Bluetooth LE, low energy, designed by Apple in California. And it says ultra wideband. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And overall, I really do like the design of the AirTag. It's very slim, but it's definitely not something that you can fit inside your wallet. But it's pretty good for something like keys or your jacket, or especially your bag. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Peace.